the kitchen. Dancing, dancing, dancing. And you know how I do. I love to cook, I dance, and I dance. In this video, I'm going to be joined by one and only Amelia from Married at First Sight, learning how to cook Phaleche. So after watching this video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment. Let's get into this cooking. So what we're going to do is basically this. So you want to remember, 12 years old. So it was from what year to what year you say?
72 to 78.
So 78 you were 12 years old?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you don't, yeah.
But one time my friend came to visit and she made us mealie pap.
Oh yeah, that's it, mealie pap.
Yeah.
So I want so this is the closest we can get to mealie pap that we have back home. So I boil the water here so it won't take long, and it cooks like in 5 minutes, so it doesn't take that long at all.
And we're making bread?
No, it's like porridge.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like porridge, yeah. Let me see. I'm going to put some of it here, then you can put some little water in it to make a paste.
Okay.
Do you cook?
Sometimes. I don't think as much as you.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you just make like, put a little water, and then you just stir.
Okay. Just a teeny bit of water?
Yeah, a little, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can just do it there.
Oh, just
yeah.
this water. Okay.
Then
Like that?
a little more. More. Good. And then you can stir. And the way we make it, hopefully you I don't know if you'll enjoy it. Then you put a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Some people put butter, but before we used to just put a little bit of salt and then you, oh.
More?
Yeah, a little
Was
bit
it being
more.
too modest?
Yeah.
Put a little in there?
Yeah, put like all of it.
Oh,
Just
okay.
be careful, don't burn yourself.
Is this
This
is
one.
this something that you eat all the time?
Yeah, most of the time back home they eat this. I cook it once in a while now, you know.
Do you eat it for dinner usually?
Yeah, for dinner with like meat or chicken or, you know. And then you're gonna, this we use back home. I couldn't find my other stirrer, so you do this.
Okay. Did you bring this from Botswana?
Yes.
Really?
You don't remember this at all?
Yeah, I remember this and the...
When I discovered the cheese slicer?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And you just go around, you know. And just to take out the lumps. Yeah. And then just go like this. Yeah. I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Okay. Lump free.
Yeah. Try to make it lump free. Yeah, and be careful. I don't want you to bend. And then like step back a little bit. Yeah, and then stay like that so you don't doesn't bend.
So is this a Goya? That's you get
Yeah.
that at the Latin market, right?
Yeah. Asian market, they have it. And then after it becomes like that, we stop doing that, and then we put a little bit more to make it thicker because it's full. can see I'm so excited.
I think we're more excited than you are.
And then let me show you how you do it so that you can. So you go like this. Just to stir the lamps. Yeah. Then you can say you cooked pap. Yeah.
Pap?
Yeah.
Yes.
And this is the pap, or is it
Yeah,
pap once it gets mixed up with like the meat?
No, by itself. Yeah, by itself.
Is it kind of the same as grits?
Yeah, it's almost like grits. It's just this one is a little smoother, right? Yeah. Yeah, you know, we almost have like the same thing. Yeah, it's almost like grits, really. She did it!
Thank
She
you.
did it. Yeah, and then you leave it.
Thanks for giving me all the credit.
And then you just put it low, then it's gonna cook by itself. So for now, I guess we're gonna try and put the food at the table, you know?
Okay.
Because I made, that's why I say you have to be hungry. Because there's a lot of food to eat.
I've been fasting ever since you texted me that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna warm this up. You can just put this in the microwave.
Okay.
Open it and then.
Ooh, whoa.
That's his chicken stew. Yeah, I have the cow. You can cover with that. I like your dress.
Oh, thank you.
And she looks so comfortable. Yeah, that's good.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello, 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 hello. Gino's creative cooking over here. Hey, you can say hello.
Hello. When did you start doing this?
About 2.5 years ago. Yeah, 2.5 years ago. It's a lot of work though.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work because I do my own editing. After cooking is fine, but doing the video is a lot.
Do you like video
You
editing?
really have to love it.
Yeah.
I had no choice because it takes so long to edit. But because I like it, I can sit there 9 hours. From the beginning, I could sit 9 hours straight doing one video because you gotta take stuff out you don't want, put back, say, oh, I don't want this. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes I wanna give up though, and then I say, but I love cooking. You know? Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. So which hospital are you at?
St. Francis.
You live in New Orleans and you just came here for that.
I'm
For
yeah.
work,
Now I
yeah.
live here for 3 years, so
Yeah, but at least your mom is here.
I know. It's great.
I know, we're so happy.
On it, I can stay, I can.
Oh yeah, another.
Yeah.
She had a Humphrey Fellowship. She was here for a year. And then she came to visit and made a big meal like this.
What's the
wow.
Humphrey Fellowship?
It's for developing countries. They come to the,
What's Botswana craft?
it was a craft shop and now it's a big music venue.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's
Oh,
all
so it
music?
changed to music. To
Well,
the
I think they
music
still
thing.
have the craft shop. So it was started.
So you go like this. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, it's.
I know it's like a technique, right? Like if you're going like that, you know. Yeah.
Got it.
So
So I think that one is almost like how they eat the fufu. So you see, it's into a bowl, and then you take that together. It's really good. Cute, sir. Big.
Thank you.
I think Bennett got it for her.
Oh, really?
Yeah. These
Wow, it's so
sleeves.
nice. The color too. I don't know where he bought it from. That's nice.
what was that town called? Abington?
Abington.
Where's Abington?
Ooh, yeah.
The southern edge of Virginia along the North Carolina border.
Oh, okay. Which one is
West.
that? You know, I make two different kinds. One with beef inside and one with chicken inside. But now you don't know.
Is this with cloves?
Huh?
Is
Yeah, I
this
put
with
a little bit of
cloves?
cloves. Yeah.
Yum.
Oh, look
I
at
think this is chicken.
big chicken. That one is chicken. I think maybe the side
Just
we
came out
took
of the
with
oven.
Chicken.
Some great
Probably
big
didn't take
chicken.
meat at all. It's good.
But we had this, there's plenty of meat.
Yeah. Believe it or not, I did not taste anything until, like I said, I wanted to enjoy it with you. You know? This came out good.
Are there any, do you guys ever come across any restaurants with this kind of food in the States? Struggling a lot?
I think so. I don't know. I haven't been back.
I forgot something in the microwave.
Oh yeah, because we don't have enough food. I was wondering if you could bring some more.
Yeah, so is Liberian food is
Like in Ethiopia, they are fighting people there. You know, I hear there's a lot of killing in Ethiopia.
Really?
Mhm.
So sad.
This is just plain yams. You know, I didn't make anything. I just like boil them. Some people put more sugar. Like I say, I don't do too much sugar, so I just eat them
Want some
plain
yam?
like that.
I guess yams are sweet.
Yeah, they're real sweet.
Have you ever had, it's, people make it at Thanksgiving sometimes?
The
Sweet
one
potatoes with marshmallows and...
I do them like that when it's Thanksgiving.
Do you?
Yeah, I put some cream cheese, cinnamon, and brown sugar, and then I bake it. It's really good. And then
I
I
love
put
it,
marshmallows on top. Of course, if you have American kids,
Yeah.
she likes that, so I have to do that.
I love that it's allowed to be part of the food and not dessert. You know, like it seems like it should be dessert, but it gets right in there with the rest of the Thanksgiving food. So
Yeah.
it's very special.
Yeah.
There's like stuff online for it,
Yes.
compiling data
Yeah.
and stuff.
Yeah. Data. She loves it.
When you guys are working, do you work together at the table?
No, we
No.
don't, because she'll be like, yeah. She's always talking with friends and she works upstairs.
So how often do you do your show?
Hi, I do it every week.
Wow.
Every week. Because I cook most of
Right.
the
And then
time.
what do you do with all the food?
Oh, I cook like, let me say, I show one thing at a time.
Yeah.
Like, let me say today, I did a video doing this, so I can just show just that.
Yeah,
Not
that's good. I'll
everything.
make that.
Yeah.
That's delicious. Because
Yeah,
usually
it's-
watermelon juice isn't good.
Yeah. Yeah, because everything is
Because
fresh.
usually watermelon juice, I don't know, it's too watery. Like,
Yeah, it is.
I
Yeah,
gotta watch
this
your
is,
video.
people always love it when I make it. Yeah,
oh, it's so nice.
it's so refreshing.
Just
You
this
put
whole,
ice in it.
like we got Amelia to go on this silly show, and then you were kind enough to send her an email. I think she's the kind of person who's going to say, yes, of course I'll come
That
to
was so nice of her. I was like touched, and I was like, I wonder if Botswana is what caught Amelia's attention, you know, or she just happened to see it, you know. But
It
I
caught
was
my
so
attention.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
we were saying that. So do you plan to visit at all, no? In the future? Just
I don't
one
know if
of
we'll
the...
go back. My parents used to go back a lot.
Oh,
Really?
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what? Like for work or
No, just
do they have friends there still?
my brothers went to Marriedatfirstsight, the high school.
Oh my God. You went to Marriedatfirstsight?
Yeah, and then one of my brothers used to work for NBC, And so he went back to Botswana. They did some show.
Oh,
And,
wow.
Did he organize it?
I don't even know, but he was part of the crew. That he was a producer.
When I came here, I already know English. I was only having, the only thing was, some things like we American English sometimes they call some things different than British English.
Like what?
Like scones, like scone to me. For them, they say
Muffin or
yes, yeah.
boot, which is the trunk of the car.
Yeah, boot. What do you say boot in
Trunk.
trunk? Yes, I got my aprons now. Loving it. If you're interested in getting one, DM me. This, I had them designed right in Botswana. So all this material is from there. Beautiful, right? Yes. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. So I have a few, all with pockets. Yes. All with creative Gino, or it has Gino's cooking. Some pockets. Let me do it quick. Some pockets. Some pockets. Beautiful. Yes. Dancing in the kitchen. Next time I'll have one written dancing in the kitchen, right? Thank you, my followers. I appreciate you. Those who have subscribed to my YouTube, I thank you. I appreciate you. And please continue to support me. All right.